19-inch rack mountable distribution patch panel for BIX connectors. Welcome back to the TSOC Minute. From Transglobal Systems of Canada, quick and easy video tutorials using TSOC products. Head over to www.tsoc.com. Let's get started. Materials required: TMBX 4 POSN RK BK 19-inch 100 pair rack mountable patch panel, black. Accessories: TMBX K6 HDBK, 6-port high-density BIX keystone adapter, black. TM608K 8C6HDBK, high-density Cat6 RJ45 keystone coupler, black. TM314 8C6BL, high-density Cat6 RJ45 keystone module, blue. TM314 35SWH, 3.5mm female to push terminal keystone module, white. TM314 HDMI BK2, high-density HDMI feed through keystone module, black. TM314 FRCWH BK, FCON to RCA keystone module, black. TM314 FWH F81 Cat V keystone module, white. TMBX 1A4 25 pair BIX distribution connector, beige. TMBX 46DI 6-port RJ45 568A 568B modular BIX adapter. MJ RJ45 LKRD210 RJ45 modular jack port lock with key, red. ML RJ45 LK tamper-resistant RJ45 mod plug lock, blue. MP RJ45 LK-BK RJ45 mod plug reusable lock, black. Please see TSOC Minute video. TMBX 4 POSN RK BK 19-inch 100 pair rack mountable patch panel, black. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit TSOC.com.